to resume. Okay. Hello, ndị ọma m njem ọnụ daalụ na ụmụ Igbo ndị asụsụ Igbo na-amasị nke ukwuu. You're welcome once again to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. All right, today we are going to continue with greetings. You know, I told you for you to understand the language, you need to know some things about the culture, right? The other time we saw basic greetings and some parting greetings. Today I want us to touch other greetings. You know, there are so many greetings in our culture and some other culture, right? So it's not everything that is available in this culture that will be found in the other one. So there may be some things that exist in Igbo language that you may not find in English. So that's why I'm going to be using context. I will explain the situation to you and tell you what we say for that situation as greeting. It may be available in English or it may not be. All right, so the other time we saw ndewo to be hi, ndewo, and kedu. If you see your friend, okay, you don't say Ngozi ndewo, no. You say Ngozi kedu, or as someone that is your peer, sorry, you say kekwan, that's a casual. So if I see my sister or my friend and then say kedu, it seems formal. I'll say, uche kekwan, and he will say odimma. Ginwakwan. Ginwakwan, that's casual on a casual level. Ginwakwan, adimumma. Ginwa, you, and you, adimumma, I am fine. So that is for that when you are just meeting. All right, so to say how are you, we say kedu ki mere. I say that's a bit formal. Kedu ki mere, or kekwan, or kekidi. Kekidi. Okay, so that's that. And the adimumma can also say ginwakwan adimumma. All right, so let's see if someone is eating. How do we greet when we see people eating in Igbo language? When you find that situation, there are some other cultures that you have to wish the person a good appetite. Like the French, we say bon appetit, wishing you a good appetite. The English, we say enjoy your meal, right? But in Igbo language, we don't really, what we have is that the person who is eating will invite you to come and eat. So when someone is eating and you come in, it is the person who is eating that will call you, will invite you by saying, Biarenni, Biarenni, come and join me. You see, that's, you know, that's part of our culture. That's part of our culture. We are so generous, you know, we are so accommodating. You know, in Igbo culture, in traditional setting, if anybody comes into your house, you entertain the person. If there's meal available, okay, you won't say because I prepared it for two, I didn't know you were coming, so please, I'm sorry. No, we don't do that. We'll share. We like sharing. So that's why if you meet someone who is eating, even if the meal was prepared for one person, you still invite the person. So what do you have as greeting when you're eating is biarenni. So biarenni, and the person will say dalo. That's thank you. If the person doesn't really want to join you, say thank you, dalo. All right, so that is for eating. All right, so when you meet someone who is working and someone is busy doing something, some other cultures in English, they may say well done. For Nigerian context, Yoruba people like ekushe. In Igbo, what we say is jisieike. If someone is working and you want to greet, that's what you greet someone who is working. Say jisieike. Some dialects like Anambra will say dalolu, dalolu. So, but the general Igbo, the Igbo the standard is jisieike. Jisieike, that's what you see written in books, jisieike. So that is for someone is working and you pass by. Okay, you don't just pass like that. You say jisieike. Say it. jisie ike, and the person will say dalo. That is for greeting when someone is working. If someone is traveling, what do you greet the person as you're parting? Someone is traveling, you say Ijeoma. Ije is like travel. Ijeoma. So you say Ijeoma or Jenkoma. That's to say go well, safe trip. It's very close to the expression in English language. Okay, Jenkoma, Ijeoma. All right, so when someone is you're going to bed, what do you greet in the night when you're going to bed? You say kachifo. Kachifo. Some people will say kobo. Kachifo. Oh, Godiechi. Kachifo. That's what we greet. Kachifo. So, what situation again? If someone comes in, you are somewhere and someone comes into the place, you say no. You greet the person no. Ibatago or ilotago. No, that's welcome. So that's why you hear me say no. Welcome to my channel. All right, so that's what we have in Igbo language are some of those greetings. Okay. All right, so that's what I have for you today on greeting. I'll be bringing you another interesting episode of basic expressions in Igbo language. Don't forget, all right, that this channel is dedicated to make you speak Igbo language in a very short time. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that button. Don't waste time, so that the next time I have an interesting video like this, you will be immediately notified. Subscribe, share with your family and friends. So see you again. Until I come your way, I say no dunko ma kemesia.